Hello everyone, today I'm going to make sweet potatoes leaves first from my garden. Hello guys, today I was harvesting sweet potato leaves for my garden, fresh. So I'm going to wash very well and stir fry.
What's really good? Wash again.
So look at this, it's very fresh. This is came from my garden. Oops.
Hello. So now I'm going slicing the ginger for my. So these are the ingredients for sweet potato leaves. Ginger for my. So these are the ingredients for sweet potato leaves. Garlic. There's a garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. This only decoration.
Hello guys, now I'm going to saute. Before I start, please subscribe Asian Cooking MJ in my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me in FB Cooking with MJ and Vlog. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day. This is stir fry sweet potato from my garden. These are the ingredients: garlic and ginger only. So I need to saute the garlic and ginger.
Now I'm going to put the sweet potato. That's very fresh, but the reason my water is too hot I forgot, so it's turned like that. So cover it. Cover like 2 minutes.
I put like 2 tablespoons of or water or chicken broth for to make the sweet potato cook.
You have to mix it. Put the leaves in here, and I put like chicken bouillon powder instead salt. So to those who are watching me, so you can stir fry your sweet potato leaves or alubati. I have to mix it. Sprinkle this in. You can mix salad if you want. Cover with 1 minute.
Now I'm going to check. The sweet potato is cooked. It's ready. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. If you have magic syrup or MSG, using MSG or magic syrup, it's okay. Here guys. Sweet potato leaves, stir fry sweet potato. It's yummy. Thank you for watching. It's very easy to process. This is fresh from my garden. This is sweet potato from my garden.